Yo, can I play something on the aux cord?
Fuck no.
Why? What do you?
Yo,
Yo, let me play something real quick.
No, cause you always you never play nothing that everyone want to hear. You only play that shit that you want to hear.
That's not true. Yo, I'm gonna play a good song, yo. Chill. Please.
No.
Please, just let me play like one song, like literally.
I ain't got time for this. Go. I don't care. Go ahead, yo. I don't got time. I gotta go to work. Don't play no bullshit. I'm gonna pull this bitch right over, yo. I'm telling my
Feelings I had, man, it was fucking.
See, that's what I'm talking about. You always do that shit. Give me the fucking other score.
Why would you do that?
Give me all
right, I'm gonna play some. I'm gonna play something else. Just give me a minute. Why you go so far away? Why you go?
Yo, give me my shit. Give me. I don't want to hear shit no more. I should pitch your ass the fuck out. That's what I should do. This shit right here. This shit back.
Wondering if I can get a deal on that gas, man. Oh, man.